English conversation for kids. Hello kids, are you ready to learn and speak English with fun? What's your name?
My name is Ria.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a robot.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Aryan.
What do you like to do?
I like to draw.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I love to sing.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Little Stars School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What do you write with?
I write with a pencil.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Miss Pooja.
What do you do at school?
I read and play.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Can you count numbers?
Yes, I can count to 100.
What do you learn at school?
I learn English, math, and drawing.
Do you go by bus?
Yes, I go to school by bus.
What time do you wake up?
I I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a bath.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and milk.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help my mom.
What do you do after school?
I play and do homework.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room.
Do you brush your teeth at night?
Yes, I do.
What do you drink?
I drink water and juice.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I love cartoons.
What games do you play?
I play hide and seek.
Do you have toys?
Yes, I have many toys.
What do you do in your free time?
I draw and play.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What makes you happy?
Playing makes me happy.
What do you play with your friends?
I play tag and ball games.
What does a cow give us?
A cow gives us milk.
Thanks for being here. Keep shining and keep speaking English.